Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful cotton garland for the god and goddess. So this is used as a vastra for puja. For this we need scissors, some yellow color half cut pearls, some stones, some foam balls, white color yarn, liquid glue and cotton. First I will show you how to create these cotton buds. For this I am taking little piece of cotton, add one foam ball inside this and just twist like this. So this will be the bud. I will show you one more time. Like this. Now I will show you how to create these loop petals. For this I am taking long piece of cotton. Just roll it on your palm, and to make it thin, just take little Fevicol on your palm and roll this using your fingers and make it thin. Now just take little piece of this thin thread and make a loop like this and just twist from the bottom. So the loop petal is ready. I will show you for one more time. Like this. So loop petals are ready. Now I am taking this paper piece circle. The diameter is 3 cm and I am just arranging these loop petals around the edge one by one like this. So this is done. Now for the inner row, again add little glue and start adding these buds, cotton buds one by one, and create the flower shape. Like this. Now for the center of the flower I am adding green color stone, and around the stone I am adding some yellow color half cut pearls. So the flower is ready. Now to create garland we need a thread for the base. For this I am taking this white color yarn and just making the braid so that we can connect the flowers on top of this. just make a knot at the end to secure these. So this is done. Now, like the same process, I have created these 2 loop flowers and 4 bud flowers. Now I will arrange all these flowers on top of this thread. Just add little glue and connect the flowers like this. So this is done. Now on the back side I am adding one more paper circle to secure these flowers little more. So just add glue on top of these papers and connect one more paper circle. So repeat this process for all the flowers. Let it dry for some time. So the beautiful cotton garland is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.